Normally, I would look up and see uh, what I'd need or when I would get that ladder and stuff. But I'm not going to do that. I'll just play the game normally and figure all that stuff out as it happens. Earn bells by selling items. Spin bells to buy items. Alright. Okay. I could be wrong, but I'm kind of guessing that like half of the underwater things I can catch will be found during the summer and spring, and the rest will be found during the fall and winter. Yeah, I'm also curious about when I'll be able to do that happy home thing. I mean, I do have the DLC. I got that all downloaded. So, I think once this town gets settled,